Okay, got my glove on. Here we go down the steps. Whoa, sorry folks, I lost my grip there. Anyhow, my hands are very cold and it's going a little numb, so this is going to be really quick. If I managed to get here earlier, then who knows. Whew! There's a lot of snow. Losing daylight pretty fast. Okay, this is how deep it is, folks. But the entire length of my foot, my hand, which is, I don't know, maybe about a foot long, okay, 3/4, not quite sure. Okay, now I got a snowy glove, because my snowboard gloves are too thick to use the buttons. So now I have a snowy liner. Okay, I'm going to pause here, take a picture.